To use Zelle with Regions Bank. The process is quite straightforward. The bank provides an article detailing the steps, making it easily accessible. First, you need to log into your account via the official website or the Regions mobile banking app, which can be downloaded from Google Play or the Apple App Store. If you don't have an account, you can enroll by clicking Enroll Now on the website or through the mobile app. Once logged in, you can start using Zelle by going to the Payments section and selecting Send Money with Zelle. You will then need to choose the eligible accounts for payments and confirm your email address and U.S. mobile phone number. After receiving a one-time verification code, enter the code and accept the terms and conditions, and you will be able to start using Zelle with your Regions Bank account. The process is simple, and following these steps will allow you to access and utilize Zelle's features with your bank account.